The WAGO Pro 2 power supplies, perfect in configuration. They fit perfect to your application thanks to their configuration ability. For instance, output voltage, overload behavior, signalization, and more can be configured. Thanks to the integrated configuration interface, this is possible on site with the WAGO interface configuration software or remote with pluggable communication modules. The WAGO interface configuration software is a free software tool provided under www.wago.com and provides monitoring, configuration, and also simulation for the Pro 2 power supply units. There's a special overload behavior, the electronic circuit breaker mode, that allows machine builders to fulfill the requirements regarding dangerous earth connections. Last but not least, this is one device for all use cases, so just one Pro 2 power supply can be configured for many different applications, and just one unit is on stock for many different applications, thanks to the configuration.